ginormous. It's like as big as my hand. Oh my God, I'm excited for these. Oh, I just got my makeup on this side. Wow, that one's really nice. It smells good. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. On Saturdays we do PR unboxings where I get to show you guys all the new launches for the week. So this week is actually gonna be probably a little bit short. I honestly was debating on maybe skipping this weekend and then like trying to get a bigger pile for next weekend for you guys. But then I'm like, wait, everyone loves these videos no matter what. So I figured you would just enjoy this even though it is short. So before we get into the unboxing, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also make sure to sign up for my email list. It's basically a notification every single time I upload. It makes it a little bit more dependable than YouTube's notification, and it goes right to your email address, and it's free. You don't have to worry about anything. And then I also have been doing my mystery box giveaways over there. So I actually just had one just this past Tuesday that I announced this morning in the Saturday newsletter. So make sure to check that out to see who the winner is. And since this one is also short, I'm gonna do another mystery box giveaway. So I will have that already sent out in the email notification. But if you are not signed up right now, make sure to sign up and make sure to comment down below the firework emoji for 4th of July and what you are doing this weekend, and leave either your Instagram handle or your email address down below so that way I have a way to contact you if you want to enter for this one too. But just make sure to sign up for those newsletters because that is where I mainly do all of my giveaways now. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. Also give this video a thumbs up if you guys love these. It really helps out a video and I really appreciate it when you do. But let's go ahead and see from this first box. We have Glow Skin Beauty, and I am so excited because they DM'd me when I talked about them when I ran out of their camouflage concealer. As you guys know, I've been raving about the camouflage concealer for years. I always repurchase it, but they were so kind enough to send me a package, and oh yay! They sent me some other stuff too, which I'm super excited about. So they sent over the oil-free camouflage concealer in the shade Natural, which is the one that I use. I'll show you guys what it looks like real quick, but I'm sure you guys have seen it. If you've been watching my videos, I use it every single day. But it just looks like this. It's like one of the best pot concealers. It covers extremely well and feels super lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel like you're piling on makeup, and it just does wonders. And I also love to carve out my brows with it too. So this is just like my favorite concealer. They also sent over their Protection Essentials kit that I'm super excited about. So first off, they sent over the oil-free SPF 40 for oily skin. So we have a nice sunscreen right here. Then we have this Daily Power C, which is a skin protecting antioxidant serum. And this is going to help prepare the skin. Or repair the skin. It says visibly transform skin's clarity with a 15% concentration of vitamin C delivered from the combination of ET-VC, L-ascorbic acid, and ascorbyl glucoside. This powerful antioxidant serum provides daily anti-pollution and environmental protection while helping strengthen and brightening the skin. I'm really stoked about this one. I cannot wait to try that one out. And then last but not least, we have the Eye Restore. This is hydrates, targets puffiness and dark circles. Yes, I need that puffiness right now because I've had like horrible insomnia lately. And I woke up at 3:30 this morning and I've been up since 3:30. I could not sleep for the life of me. Could not fall asleep. So I need that depuffingness right now. A big thank you to Glow Skin Beauty for sending those over and restocking me back up. You guys are amazing. All right, so next up is a package from Fourth Ray Beauty, and it says make it double. So we have introducing the new avocado and aloe double shot serum. Sounds so good. Okay, so we have, this is a double shot serum right here. Kind of want to open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, I like the fact that it has aloe in it. I think this would be really nice to put on, especially after you maybe have gotten a little bit too much sun on you. So this would be really nice. And then we have the Face Milk Replenishing Moisture Barrier. And then last but not least, we have the Avocado Superfood Nourishing Mask, which I think we should definitely use tonight. I've been incorporating masks like ritually every single night, and it's just so nice and relaxing, and especially because my skin like freaked out on me from the doxycycline, so now I'm trying to do whatever I can to balance it back out again. All right, so this next one is from Dominique Cosmetics, and I am so excited, you guys. So Kristen collaborated with JD Wadey 180 here, and they came out with two new products. They came out with Ultra Hydrating Complexion Primer, which is going to be $28. They also came out with an Ultra Hydrating Fine Mist. They also sent over, a really awesome mask right here. What I am so stoked about this because I really like the fact that it is double-sided too. That is awesome. And I love it. It says you're beautiful inside and out right here. But oh my God, yes. Oh, I just got my makeup on this side. You guys, whenever I finish using a face mask, it is like covered in makeup. I don't even know why I bother anymore because I wear sunglasses and I wear a face mask. I'm like, you can't see my face anyways. What's the point of doing my makeup anymore? And then it ends up all over my face mask. But anyway, so they sent over this bag right here. And this is a really cute bag. I really like the bag. And then here are the products. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Kristen, you are killing it. I'm loving to watch like everything that's going on with her brand. I just saw that they moved headquarters and I'm so excited for her and I cannot wait to see what they're gonna come out with next. But this is so exciting and I love the fact that she collaborated with another influencer. So I cannot wait to try that out. And then this is the spray. It looks, look at the packaging. It's so well done and I just love the mint to it too. And then, oh my God, this ombre too. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm just gonna spray some of this on. Okay. Oh, you guys, it's a really, really nice mister. Like, really nice mister. You know how you get some and they're just like right into your face? This one is like a complete like diffused mister and it feels like you're walking underneath those like little misters that like get, the little misters like if you're at an amusement park or something and they have them going down. Like that's what I felt like I was spraying on me. So nice. Cannot wait to use more of that and also to try out the primer tomorrow. I'm gonna try that tomorrow morning when I do my makeup. All right, so next up is a package from Buxom, you guys, and they came out with a palette that I'm super excited to look at. Oh my gosh. Let me open it up for you. So this is called their Extrovert Eyeshadow Palette. It's got extra shades, extra attitude. And it retails for $39 and you can get it at buxomcosmetics.com or Ulta Beauty. So let's take a look. Oh my God, these are pretty colors. Look at these. I'm like living for the mint right here. And then also this really pretty kind of coral shade that kind of matches my sweatshirt right now. So I'm gonna swatch Remix. So pretty. That one's really, really pretty there. And then let's go into Enigma, which is that mint. Kind of see how this one is. Ooh, this is nice. Wow, that one's really nice. Okay, so let's go into Rare. And Rare is like this kind of, I want to say like, is it like a cobalt blue? I need to really get better with describing my colors, but it's a blue. It's got a little bit of green in it, but it's got a little bit of shimmer. So there's that one. This will be another fun palette to use. I want to do a get ready with me using the Coca-Cola palette because I asked you guys in that video what you would want to see and the majority of you said Coca-Cola. So I will be doing a get ready with me or just testing out new makeup video using the Coca-Cola palette and just using a bunch of new products. That is gonna come shortly. I'm gonna film that next week. It was just kind of trying to get this whole week in order right now because Riley started school. So I had to do transition days with her, 2 days, like Monday and Tuesday, where I had to go into the school with her, stay there with her for 45 minutes, and then we went home. She just kind of like slowly warm her up. And then today was her first full day. So I will be doing that testing new makeup video next week, so it will be up shortly, I promise. All right, so next up is a package from Soul Body right here, and we have their sugar body polish and a body lotion. I'm excited for the body polish. I actually just ran out of my Lilicious one, which so good, by the way, you guys. If you're looking for a really good like scrub, check out the Lilicious. It's so good, and the Peachy Keen one smells bomb. But I'm excited to try this one out. And then we have this body lotion here. So very nice. I think it's just like a regular body lotion. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. I really like how clean that is. That is awesome. So very nice. So we're gonna try those out and see how those ones go. You know what? Let's try this out right now. Ooh, I'll just take this little dollop that kind of just squirted out. Roll my sleeve. Ugh. It smells good. It's got like kind of like a coconutty smell. Like it smells just very like tropical and fresh. I actually really like the smell of it. So that's nice, like that. So I will be using those. I'll let you guys know how the polish works out for me. All right, so from Sigma, we have Get Some Air here. And These are they're new complexion air brushes. Coverage that's lighter than air. Oh my God, I'm excited for these. Okay. They're like duo fiber brushes, and I feel like no one's talked about duo fiber in the longest time. Maybe it's also because I haven't really been watching a bunch of makeup tutorials anymore. But basically with duo fiber is that they're a little bit more dense down below, but they're a little bit less dense up at top, and it gives you a lighter coverage. Like this one would be really good for doing your blush too if you did a cream blush. So this one right here retails for $25. This one is the contour and blush brush. So you can even use this one, yeah, for your blush too. But this would be great for like a cream contour. And then we have the flat kabuki, which is $25, where you can blend the liquid and cream products. And then this one right here is the F74 Air Domed Buffer, and this one retails for $25, and it's good for just blending in cream products. So I'm actually very stoked about these because that's mainly what I use now. I only use cream products really. So I will definitely be using those and seeing how I like them. All right, you guys, so last but not least, we have a package from Catrice Cosmetics, and they sent over this really cute bag. It's like kind of like a straw bag, and then it has a gold foiled pineapple on it, which is really cute, and then also the tassel. So let's open this up. So they sent over this Glow Booster Serum. It's a vitamin complex. It's got antioxidant-rich vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B3. Ooh, those are good vitamins to have there. So there's that. We also have the Sungasm Illuminizing Bronzer right here, which is really pretty. Cannot wait to use that. And then, oh, we've got this big one. This is a face and body highlighter right here. This thing is huge. It's ginormous. It's like as big as my hand. How about this swatch? Oh, it's like a foil. Oh my gosh, look at that. Boom, it's highlighting your face. Love it. Then we have another luminizing bronzer. So, okay, so this first one right here is, oh, they sent me two of the same one, Golden Ecstasy. So I think they accidentally put two of the same ones in there. So I will give this one away to you guys for you. And then this one I will try out for a future video. And that is it. So that is everything from Catrice Cosmetics. Thank you so much to Catrice Cosmetics for sending those over. And also a big thank you to all the brands that always send over the new launches. It's a great way to kind of see what is new out, what you kind of want to get your eye on, and what to test out to see, okay, how does this work? So I really appreciate it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so sorry it is so short. I hope next week will be a little bit longer for you guys, but at least it's kind of exciting to see what was new this week. So I love you guys. I hope you all have a safe 4th of July weekend, and I will see you all in my Tuesday video. Bye.